Denying the sneeze. Eddie knocks on B's door. He is sneezing a lot.
Eddie, you don't seem well. Are you sick?
No, I'm great. I'm just a little sleepy. Do you want to go for a run?
Eddie sneezes 3 times.
Eddie, I can hear you sneezing from here. You are seriously sick.
I'm not sick, B. I just need fresh air and positive energy.
That's the unhealthiest thing I've ever...
B takes Eddie to the pharmacy to buy tissue. Eddie sneezes on the pharmacist. Sir, are you okay? Please step back.
See, B? He just asked if I'm okay. That means maybe I'm okay.
That is not what that means, Eddie.
Sir, that is a lot of sneezing.
But I wanted to go running today.
Eddie, you've been sneezing nonstop all morning.
B buys the tissues and they walk outside.
Okay, Eddie, you've sneezed 20 times today. 20!
Suddenly, B sneezes loudly. She has been feeling tired all morning, but she ignored it.
B, are you sick too?
No, absolutely not. I never get sick. It was just the wind.
You're sneezing now too, B. I heard that.
That is completely different. I am fine.
B, you sound exactly like me 5 minutes ago.
I sound nothing like you. Now let's go home. For your sake.